Today we will discuss about SAP Data Warehouse Cloud. In SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, after logging in, you can see the home page like this. And if you see in the navigation window in the left hand side, we can see multiple options like Home, Repository, Explorer, and a Data Marketplace. Here you can see landing page, search, bookmarks, My Data Products, licenses, and Data Business Builder, Data Builder, and Integration Monitor, Connections, Space Management, etc. If you am clicking Repository Explorer, you can see all the folders and the related created files and are available here. You can see all created entities. You can see here. Right under collections, you can see all recently opened or created, and my objects and your own objects, the one you created and shared, somebody shared with you. Those information here you can see, and favorites and space. And all. I'm just clicking all, and if you see in this, there are other options also. Space, like for all, you can see all the select spaces. What other spaces are available, and what are the spaces you have access. You can see that two are now currently I'm having two space access. And type, if you want, even you can filter by type. Like let me check it now. Check more. Change it by, change it on, connection type. There are multiple things. And local table. Select items, local table, view, data flow, ER model, intelligence lookup, remote table, data access control, task chain. We have many multiple options to select. Okay. And if we come other side, so here we have like from here itself we can create it. For itself we can create it. Local table we can create graphical view, SQL view, entity relationship model, data model, intelligence lookup, and data access control, currency conversion views, task chain. And here we have like import and export entities. We have like import entities option is there here. You can import entities which are exported into from other system or other environment. You can import them here. And remote tables you can see here. And if you select this one, and the other options will be enabled here. Select any one of these. See, other options edit, delete, and here you can see deploy. Deploy is nothing but activate, and share and copy. And if you want to create the same similar copy, so we can create like copy, create and a new view is a replica of this current entity. Okay, and we can short. There we have some select columns. What are the columns if you want to additional columns here? You can select it. The default columns. And here you can change the format like in display. Currently it's displaying as a table. If you want to display as like this grid, and here we have like list. You can see quickly like all of them. So these are the options in the home page. Now I'm going one by one. Now mark repository explorer this one, and let me go to the data builder. This is the where we are starting, the beginning point. I'm selecting the data builder. So whenever selecting the data builder, here you can see the spaces. You need to work on a specific space, like it's a project space or some practice space they're giving. Okay, the project space is a common space where all the entire team is working, and your personal space, individual space, is there where your own work we are going to do that, some practice or tests and okay, let me go to the business builder. This is the second point. Here also space is required, and I'm going to the data integration monitor. This is where we are monitoring our data flows. Okay, so for everywhere this is asking the spaces, but I'm going to the connection tab. Here also is asking. So let me go to the trainee 2. Okay, here you can see create connections and all. Now go to the data builder, automatically selected. Well, once you select it, it automatically goes to that one. So here we have like new table, new graphical view, new SQL view, new entity relationship model, new data flow, new intelligent lookup, new task chain, tables, new table. Here also you can see. Here all files you can see. If you want to see individual here, tables, views, new graphical SQL, AR model, data flow, intelligence lookup, task chains. So these are data builder entities. Now I'm going to the business builder. Here you also can see all files, new dimension, analytical data set, new fact model, new consumption model, new authorization scenario. So individual things, business entities, new dimension, new analytical data table, new fact consumption, new consumption model, authorization scenario. We can create new authorization scenario. Okay. And if you go to the space management, here you can see all your space related information, like an overview, how much space is there, and overall, the members are available for this space. What are the overall hours users are using this particular space, and your some workflow management members. You can see you can go, and this is the time data. And I'm going back to the same data integration monitor. So now we can see what are the available. Say HANA Cloud and all these connection types are available. And here persistency monitor you can see, and data flow monitor. In this tab you can see data flows monitor. Total Salesforce this is completed. Sales order flow this is not running. There is no status. Recent status. If you want to run, you can trigger it. So just select and run data. Run with run. Okay. And it will run. And remote query monitor. So here we in this tab you can monitor the remote queries and task chain monitor. Here you can see if you created any task chain. Here you can see the status. See the last one is failed tasks. So this is uh, the home page, and the options are available in SAP Data Warehouse Cloud.